So we're on to video number 5. My goodness, you are so familiar with me now that you might in fact invite me to Thanksgiving dinner. That's okay, I'm going to accept. So what left? What is left? What could I possibly show you that I haven't showed you in the last 4 weeks of how to use this band? I'm going to show you something now that's a little bit higher level, that's going to involve you getting down on the floor. So you have to be able to get down on the floor. If you can't get up and down off the floor, then probably skip this one. If you email me down below, I can send you an alternate exercise, and I'm happy to do that. But I'm going to show you this one. So you're going to sit, and you're going to put your feet in. I'm going to recommend put the band, just have one segment in between these two, and you're going to put your feet here and here. So you see how there's one loop in between? That's what I want. You're then going to put your hands in these end loops here and here. And if an emergency occurs while you're like this, you're in trouble. There's no doubt about it, so be careful. So you're going to get on your hands and knees. And from this position, you're going to do a bird dog. Now, a bird dog is when you extend one leg backwards, right? And honestly, you can start just by doing that. Just by pushing that leg backwards, and then this one backwards. And that's already going to work your core and your gluteals. But if you want to go for extra credit, and I know that you do, you're going to want to combine one leg with the opposite arm going forward. So it's going to look like this. Oh yeah. Now, you'll notice that the slower I go, the more muscles I recruit, making the exercise more efficient and more effective. Now, some people do 5 of these. Some people do 3 of them. Some people do 30 of them. It doesn't matter. Just do as many as you comfortably can. And I want you to think about balance, agility, and coordination. Now, if you're like me, you're going to notice that one way is a lot easier and more stable than the other way. Oh boy, I can feel that one. So we all have a sidedness to our bodies, one side that's better than the other. So I want you to be able to appreciate that, and I want you to work on that. So that is a bird dog using the Can-Do band. So for now, we're going to call it a day. You may or may not get some more videos from me, depending on if you need them or not, or if I want to surprise you occasionally with another way to use this band. So I want to thank you for listening. I want to thank you for watching. Glad to have you here, and you will see and hear from me again.